The difference between fasting and dieting. Vegetarianism and veganism are two dietary lifestyles that are gaining popularity around the world. While both diets focus on plant-based foods, there are some key differences between them. In this article, we will explore the difference between vegetarian and vegan diets and the reasons why people choose to follow them. What is a vegetarian diet? A vegetarian diet is a dietary lifestyle that excludes the consumption of meat, poultry, and fish. However, vegetarians may still consume other animal products such as dairy products, eggs, and honey. There are several types of vegetarian diets, including lacto-ovo-vegetarian. This type of vegetarian diet includes dairy products and eggs. Lacto-vegetarian. This type of vegetarian diet includes dairy products but excludes eggs. Ovo-vegetarian. This type of vegetarian diet includes eggs but excludes dairy products. What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet is a dietary lifestyle that excludes the consumption of all animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and honey. Instead, vegans focus on consuming plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Some vegans also choose to avoid using animal products in other aspects of their lives, such as clothing and personal care products. Differences between vegetarian and vegan diets. The main difference between vegetarian and vegan diets is the exclusion of animal products. While vegetarians may still consume dairy products, eggs, and honey, vegans avoid all animal products. Additionally, while both diets focus on plant-based foods, a vegan diet is typically more restrictive in terms of what can be consumed. Another key difference is the ethical and environmental motivations behind each diet. While some vegetarians may choose their diet for ethical reasons, such as concern for animal welfare, many choose it for health reasons. On the other hand, veganism is often motivated by ethical concerns about animal welfare, environmental concerns about the impact of animal agriculture on the planet, and health concerns about the potential health benefits of a plant-based diet. Health benefits of vegetarian and vegan diets. Both vegetarian and vegan diets have been linked to a range of health benefits. Studies have shown that these diets can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. They have also been shown to improve blood sugar control, lower blood pressure, and promote healthy weight management. One of the main reasons for these health benefits is that plant-based diets are typically higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and lower in saturated fat and cholesterol than diets that include meat and other animal products. Additionally, plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can help protect against chronic diseases. Potential nutrient deficiencies in vegetarian and vegan diets. While vegetarian and vegan diets can be healthy when properly planned, there are some potential nutrient deficiencies to be aware of. For example, vegans may be at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency, as I's vitamin is primarily found in animal products. However, this can be easily remedied by taking a B12 supplement or consuming fortified foods. Vegetarians may also be at risk of iron deficiency if they do not consume enough iron-rich plant-based foods or rely too heavily on dairy products, which can inhibit iron absorption. Calcium is another nutrient that may be a concern for vegans and vegetarians.